Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. Today we're diving into the essentials of a brake job, torque specifications that is. This is going to be on the 2012 to 2021 Honda Civic. Proper torque specifications is essential for the longevity and the safety of your vehicle. Let's get started. Real quick, make sure to like, subscribe, and share where you're watching. I'm going to have a ton of torque specification videos coming out on many vehicles, and if you have a request for a certain vehicle, let me know below. Now you might be wondering where I am getting my torque specifications from, or where I usually do. Let me show you real quick. This here is the Motor Guide Book Brake Specifications Guide. Has a lot of helpful information in here, and if you need some more torque specifications, that's where I'll get that information from as well. Now, having the proper torque specifications will make your brake job last the longest and assure that you're not over tightening or under tightening, so you don't want to strip anything out and you don't want anything to come off after you do your brakes. It would be the worst thing in the world to be driving down the road and just lose braking because either you broke a bolt or you didn't tighten it enough and the caliper and bracket, everything came off. Now let's go over the torque specifications on this vehicle. The knuckle to caliper, or the caliper to knuckle bolt, you're looking at 80 foot-pounds. Now this actually holds the caliper assembly to the knuckle, so it's pretty important. 80 foot-pounds, you might need a 1/2-inch torque wrench to get that done. There will be links in the description below for the proper torque wrenches that you'll need to get this job done. The new digital ones will work for both the caliper and the knuckle, both of them. If you use an older style, like I do, I use a 1/2-inch and a 3/8. I use both of those. But if you get the new digital ones, that one should be totally fine. Links in the description below. Next, you're going to have the caliper to bracket bolts. And hey, if you need a full DIY or a how-to step-by-step directions on how to perform these brakes, look in my video library. I have a ton of videos on brakes on this specific vehicle, or if you want to find a bunch of videos on Honda Civics in my video library, just go ahead and YouTube or Google search Scotties Hobbies Honda Civic and they will all come up. The caliper to knuckle bolt is 25 foot-pounds on this vehicle. That makes sure that you hold the caliper onto the knuckle properly, and also having proper torque specifications will ensure that the brake pads can move freely, and again, you don't break that bolt. 25 foot-pounds is really, really light. That's not too tight, so that one is really easy to break. Next, having proper lug nut torque is very essential while performing a brake job. You want to have even pressure on the rotor onto the hub, so you avoid warpage of the rotor and ensure longevity of the pads. If this video did help you out, make sure to comment below. Let me know the year, make, and model of the vehicle that you are working on. If you're working on a different vehicle, let me know as well. Shoot me a text, shoot me a comment below. I'll do my best to get you the proper torque specifications in a timely manner. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. So you avoid